Sorry student, just wait a minute. Okay, so we will discuss about the two problems. One by the Dana and other one was the Max. Okay, Dana problem was regarding the school. She was feeling shy. She was feeling confused to join a new school, and she was asking for the advice from all of you. Okay, now the next one was by the Max. So the Max was feeling that he is very bad in math, and he feels that he is unable to clear his math tests. That's why he will get a bad marks, and he is asking about your suggestion. Will he what he want to do now, what he have to do now. So hopefully these all are the problems. These two problems are very much clear to you all. We have already discussed these problems. Have you any question regarding to these problems? Please see all these, both of these problems in a very clear way. Now, regarding to these two problems which the students have shared with us, we have to do the activity. So this is an activity 1 which we need to do. And activity is named as giving advice and suggestion. We have discussed about the problems. Now the students were asking about the suggestion. Now we are here to give them the suggestion and give them the advices. Hope so you all are getting my point. So please read it out that uh, complete the answer 1 to 5 with phrases 1A to E. As you can see on your screen that there are the phrases which are from A to E. You have to use these phrases to answer the questions, to complete the answers, to complete the suggestion, and to complete your advices which you are giving to the students, which you are giving to the Dana and Max. So match with problems in activity. Then in the end, you need to tell them that which activity is meeting which problem. So there are the five responses. Why don't you? I think you should visit. You could think. How about joining? And last one is, if I were you, I would be brave. So by utilizing these these phrases, you need to give the suggestion to Dana and Max. Okay, students. Now, these are the suggestion that you people are giving to the Dana and Max. So the first suggestion is, before you tell your mom, dash off some ways to improve your math grades in the future. Then she will know you are trying hard, and she will probably won't be so angry. So these are the two answers. First one is the C, but which you need to write in the blank. You could think. And second phrase is A, why don't you ask? Don't worry about to noting it down. You will get these slides in your WhatsApp group. You will do it in your English A copies. We are going to do two activities today. All these activities you need to do on your English A copies. The next one is, if some children in your new class can show you around the school, then you will already know them when you join the class. So the answer is, how about join? Now we are moving towards the third. Dash and tell your mom about the result. If you don't tell her yourself, she will be more angry when she hears the result from the other. So the suggestion from your side is E. If I were you, I would be brave and tell your mom. Next one is, if you think in a positive way, then you will feel better. This is an adventure and the chance to meet up with new friends. Your new school before you start. So the suggestion is, I think I should visit I think you should visit your new school before you start. So these are the 4 suggestions regarding the problem. But what you need to do, you also need to mention कि which problem is, which suggestion is belonging to which kind of problem. The problem number 1 or the problem number 2. You only need to mention it belongs to problem number 1 or it belongs to problem number 2. Hopefully you are getting my point. Next one is, read Ismail's problem and write 4 possible solutions. This is the problem that is by the Ismail. Let's read it together. In few weeks time, I have an important exam. It tests most of the subject I am studying at the moment. I feel very nervous and I'm sure I'm going to fail. Can you give me some advice about preparing for the exam and feel less nervous? That is by the Ismail. So this is the problem that is Ismail is facing nowadays. He is facing very much anxiety in his heart. He is thinking that his exams are coming. He is feeling frustrated. He is very nervous about his exam. He is unable to decide what he need to do and what he don't need to do. So this is the problem by the advice. By the Ismail. Have you read the question? Read Ismail's problem and write 4 possible solutions. We have read the Ismail problem. Now we have to give the 4 possible solutions regarding to it. So this question I have done for you, that I have given the 4 advices and 4 possible solutions for the Ismail. Possible solution for the Ismail's problem are, I think you should make a proper timetable to cover maximum subjects. You need to make a proper timetable to cover your maximum subjects. Moreover, why don't you ask your parents to help you in this task? You need to ask your parent advice for this task. How about taking healthy diet and drink plenty of water to understand and concentrate on things in better way. As you all know that healthy diet make you healthy, active, and a lot of drinking a lot of water able you to concentrate on your studies. Next one is, if you think positive, you will able to prepare for students. The next one is, if you think positive, you will able to prepare for your exam in a better way. So your thinking impacts a lot on your studies and on other things. If you will think positive, the positive things will be happen towards you. If you feel relaxed, then you will better able to concentrate on your studies. Hope so this question was also clear to you all. Now student, this is your home task. What you need to do, just take out your diaries and note it down on your diaries. All the things are mentioned here. You need to do all the things on your English A copies. The first question we have done, the activity 1, complete the answers 1 and 5 with the phrases AE, then match with problems in activity. And the next question is read Ismail's problem and write for possible solution. Both of the questions we have done in the class. What you need to do, you need to copy them on your English A copy. Please write this diary on your diaries. Note it down so that we can check your diary after attending the school. Hope so it's all clear to you all.